What's good with y'all, man? KeepitrealQuan. So today we're gonna be doing 200 push-ups, but it's gonna be 10 diamond push-ups, 10 neutral push-ups, 10 regular push-ups, 10 wide push-ups, and 10 pike push-ups. We're gonna do 4 sets of that, which is 200, because 50, 100, 50, 200. So 200 push-ups, and yeah. Let's get to it. It's not really about time. It's just about keeping form, building that endurance, and building that strength. That's gonna make you grow. Let's get to it. First, we got 10 diamonds. One, 2, 1. 10 diamonds, 10 neutral. 10 narrow. 10 neutral. 10 wide. Now we got the last one, which is 10 pike. If y'all haven't seen pike push-ups, it's where you get your feet as close as you can to your hands while you're in the up position. It works more shoulders, but it still works chest too. So you do this, walk your feet up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the first set. We got 3 more. Go ahead and shake it out. Rest your arms. We got 3 more sets, and that'll be 200. Ten seconds. Oh yeah. 10 diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Oh yeah. Get that tricep action. 5, 4, 3, 2, 10 narrow. Yes, sir. Next one, we got 10 regular, or as you want to call it, neutral, whatever you want to call it. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's 8. Next one we got wide. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. That's 7. 3 more. Last one. 10 pike push-ups. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walking them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Woo! That's 100. Hey, you see how much harder that is? If you do 5 different sets, 5 different types of push-ups, doing 100, it's gonna feel way harder than doing regular 100 push-ups straight. I'm telling you, try it out. Better growth. That's why people stay stagnant. In calisthenics, they don't change it up. They just keep doing 50 push-ups. You know what I'm saying? You gotta change it up. Halfway there. Ten seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 diamonds. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Oh yeah, we love it. 10 narrow. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7. 3 more. 8, 9, 10. 5 seconds. We got 10 regular. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 regular. Seven again. 3 more. Don't quit. 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. We got 10 wide. Yes, sir. How many of y'all still feeling that 1,000 push-up burn? If y'all did. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wide push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Oh yeah. 10 more. 10 of the pike push-ups. Let's get it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. That's 150. 3 sets. 1 more set to go. Like I said, 10 diamond, 10 narrow, 10 neutral, 10 wide, 10 pike, 50 each, 200 push-ups total. Last 50, let's get it. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 diamonds. Make these last 10 diamonds count, man. Woo! Let's go. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Uh-huh. 10 narrow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it, man. Make them count, make them count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7. What we always doing is from 7, man. 3 more. 8, 9. Oh yeah. 10 seconds. We got 10 neutral. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Did it past 7 this time? 9, 10. 5 seconds to wide. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get wide. Nine, 10. Hey man, all we got is 10 more. 10 pike and we done. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 8. 2 more. 9. Oh, that's 10, man. Good stuff. If you made it to the end of the video, good job, man. That's 200 push-ups, 50 each set. And yeah, man, literally, I think so. That's the most efficient way to do 200 push-ups, to build muscle. If you've been doing calisthenics too long, you're not gonna be able to doing that 200 straight. You gotta change it up. Don't stay stagnant, stay progressing, stay driven. Like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend. Let's get these gains 2021, man. Stay tuned. Never quit.